6 daily use phrasal verbs to level up your English. Hello and welcome. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently, learning phrasal verbs is very important. Today you will learn 6 useful phrasal verbs that you can use in daily conversations. Let's start. 1. Come in, meaning to enter. Example, please come in, the door is open. 2. Go out, meaning to leave the house. Example, I go out to buy groceries every morning. 3. Hang up, meaning to end a phone call. Example, I hung up after talking to my friend. 4. Plug in, meaning to connect to electricity. Example, please plug in your phone before it dies. 5. Put on, meaning to wear something. Example, I put on my shoes before going outside. 6. Put away, meaning to store something in its place. Example, I put away my clothes in the cupboard. These phrasal verbs are very useful in daily English. Practice them regularly in speaking and writing to become more fluent and confident. Keep learning and level up your English. Thank you.